Here is the balance beam. So, we're going to be learning about greater than, less than, and don't forget equals. I'll use these signs to represent them. And we also have these blocks that we can put on each side. For example, 0 equals 0. That's where I can use this sign. So, let's add one block to this side. Uh-oh, it's too much. We need to add one more block to balance it out. Let's get one more block. There we go. And now it's balanced because 1 equals 1. Now let's add a second block to this side. Doesn't look that bad so far, but still, I would say it would be falling right now because there's too much weight. 1 can still handle 2. What if we add 3? 3 of itself. Uh-oh, that's way too much. 3 is way bigger than 1. So we need to find out a way to stop that from happening. Maybe if we added 2 more on this side, it would be equal like we added 2 on this side. Let's try that. So we reset. Those guys are still down there. So we're going to put 1 block on this left side. Oh my, it actually measures. Cool. Let's, hope it doesn't fall. Cool. Now let's add 1 right here. Cool. And now let's add 1 to this side, and then 1 to this side, and 1 to this side, and then 1 to this side. So cool. Let's grab this guy. Put it in here. It's a little bit unbalanced, but if we grab this block on the floor and we put it here, it's equal now. Cool. So if we grab 1 more block, there's 3 on this side. Don't fall. Uh-oh, it's getting a little bit unbalanced. First time it actually reacted and moved. So, let's add 1 block right here. And now it's back to being balanced. Isn't that cool? Grab this. And just there. So, I guess I'll just grab what we have right now. Because if we add 2 more to one of the sides and split into 2 into 1 and 1, we might end with something like this. It's 4 on this side. It's pretty good. But if we put in this guy, you can guess what happens next. That was louder than last time because we used even bigger numbers. Because of this, not only does it measure, but it also can add. So, if we have 4 on one side and we have to make it something like 3 on the other. Let me build that right now. Guys, I just wanted to show you this. I put 1 block here, it reacted, and it fell. But seriously, I'm telling the truth. It fell last time. But whatever. Or we could also do something simple. Like 1. There's nothing here. And 1. Or we can make it 1 and oops. It still measures correctly. And I thought it would stop by now. Ah! Or we could just do it on this side. Next after that, too many blocks are on this side. 1, 2, 3. Even though it does make a mess, it still does add, right? All you have to do is just collect them all and count how many there are. 1, 2, 3. Answer 3. Cool. And after this, I'll be giving you a test, and it will be all about everything we've learned so far. There's addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, less than, greater than, equals, and so on. So you're gonna need to do this test because I'll give you 1 minute timer, and then I'll say the answers. Just in case you have any problems like this at school, I would recommend you actually. You have to wait for, I'll give you 3 minutes to solve all the questions. Or you can just pause the video. And then after that, I'll tell you what the answer is. So, I'll give you a little, point of what we're going to be learning. So, let me show you something else before this video. Oof, that was close. Now let's review what we've learned in our first video. Pi equals 3.1, E equals 2.7, and other blocks. Give me a second. I'm looking for a block. Oh, okay. And A equals 5. And don't forget, we learned something else as well. F equals 2, and there's more because oh wait, B equals something, but I don't know if it's possible in that hand. Be back and I'll put it out here. Well, all I gotta say is B equals 100, and I guess we're done with the lesson. Hope you have a fun time and learned something. Yeah! Cool. Anyways, have a fun time. What if I do this? No. Never do that again. Okay, fine. The blocks are off screen anyway. Are you crazy? And our final lesson after that is a little something. So you're probably gonna be you probably already got taught this in kindergarten. I hope you did not, but if you did, well, skip, and if you didn't, it was an accident. Anyways, A equals 1 and B equals 2, and A equals 1 and probably already learned this. So A equals 1, B equals 2, C equals 3, and so on. So that's not really true. So then we have these guys. We have D, we have E. Here's the real C, by the way. We have D, we have E, and we have F. Oh, great. Gosh, what's going right now? my god, I can't find it. D, E, and F. So we have we have D, we have E, we have F. That's when it gets a little bit off board. D does not equal that. Let's just go. You'll learn about this class in high school. E equals 2.7 and F equals 2. And I guess they don't equal 5 and 6, but I would think of something that silly. Then we have G. G, and I guess we, so on. G, blah, blah, blah. And then I guess, yeah, a few letters away from this. I know this is in math. I just don't know what number it equals. So, because of the grater of BFDI. X, also, a few meters away, equals 7. And there are much more. Much more that you just don't know yet. Any letter can have a numerical value. And so can letters have a numerical value. And now, let's learn the alphabet. With the letters one by one. They all pop out. Numbers, letters, numbers. Let's go! And, right after this is posted, Chicka Chicka Boom Boom will be posted. E.